everything that has a beginning definitely has an end, but this actually has no end. I'm talking about my 120 days profitability challenge, right? So today being the 119 of the 120 days profitability challenge. So it means the next day is actually going to be the final day of this challenge. But like I said, this challenge has no end. Even though it has a time limit, it actually has no end, meaning we're going to continue this challenge till, right? But it doesn't mean I'm going to be making videos to be talking about this challenge here and there, but I'll be implementing the stuff that I've learned during this challenge. I'll be implementing them for the remaining days of, should I say, my life? Maybe it sounds like that. Yeah, I'll be implementing this, for as long as I can, right? Anyway, before I even delve more into that video, let me talk to you about something really quick. Deriv, right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it clearly, right? Deriv is a broker that I use to trade, synthetic indices. When it comes to trading step index, volatility 75, boom and crash, volatility 10, and stuff, this is a broker that I use. So if you also like to use a broker like this, Deriv, to trade synthetic indices, click the link in the video description and you're going to see yourself right there on their platform, and let's trade synthetic indices together. Yeah, so enough of that. Now let's come back to our main video for today. All right, so back to business. All right, so today be day 119. I've gone through a whole lot of stuff when it comes to doing this, 120 days. There were ups and downs along the journey, but yes, it was worth it, right? So if there's something I have to say so far based on this challenge, then I'll say it's actually a good one that I took this challenge, because if I can remember vividly, this will be the first time that I've stayed or remained consistent learning about this Forex markets. I've spent a good number of days learning about it and implementing stuff related to it, right? So there are three major things that I would like to state, that if you want to become a profitable Forex trader based on what I've gone through, right, I'll state it. First, you need to be patient and you need to be consistent, and you also need to be very, very confident in your execution, right? And above all, limit distractions whenever you come to place a trade or whenever you come to take a trade, right? So these are a few things that I would like to share with you, and I hope you implement them in your trading journey, right? This is Godsway here, and this is just, should I say, the beginning? Yeah, of course, this is the beginning of great things that's going to come up on this channel, right? I'm going to see you in the next video.